Number 1. Create a virtual desktop. Imagine you're in the middle of some work project or research you've been doing all day when you need to deal with another task immediately. Opening new tabs in Windows will just slow you down and mess up your workflow. So you need a new, clean desktop. Well, just press the Windows key plus Ctrl plus D or Ctrl plus Up if you use a Mac. It'll switch to a new, fresh desktop, and you're ready to go. Number 2. Switch between virtual desktops. Okay, but where is all that precious work you were doing before? Is it gone forever? Don't panic, it's just hiding. To get it back, push the Windows key plus Control or the Control key on a Mac. Now you can switch between all the virtual desktops you've made by using the left and right arrow keys. When you're done with the second task, and sure you no longer need that desktop, you can close it by pressing the Windows key plus Control plus F4. On a Mac, hold down the Option key and click on the X signs that appear over any open desktop spaces to close them. Number 3. Return to the desktop from Apps. If you have too many apps open and you need to use another one hidden behind all those windows on your desktop, you don't need to minimize them all one by one. You can minimize all of them at once by pushing the Windows key plus M. You can also take a peek at your desktop with the Windows key plus comma or Command plus F3 for OS. This is a handy little trick if you work with information from desktop widgets, or if you really need to take a break for a second and look at the fluffy kittens or fields of calming green grass you use as your desktop wallpaper. Number 4. Open an app from the taskbar. If you want much faster access to your most used apps, consider keeping them on your taskbar. It'll speed up your workflow even more if you use the following combination: the Windows key plus a number key from 1 to 9. Each number represents an app in your taskbar from the left to right, and this combo will bring up the necessary one. Unfortunately, there's no similar hotkey for OS, but I'm pretty sure Mac users are quite content with the Mac's awesome app navigation. Number 5. Split screen between two apps. Want to see a magic trick? Try this. Open one app that you need for your work and press the Windows key plus left arrow. Then, open another app and click the Windows key plus right arrow. Now, two windows are sharing your screen. Checking facts in your academic work while looking directly at your sources? No problem. Photoshopping while watching Brightside videos?